For the second activity, you are going to listen and learn. So you are going to take a look at the instructions in each box, have an adult or someone who's there with you helping you read the instructions and follow along. The first one says place the apple in front of the basket. So you're going to take the apple and put it in front of the basket. The next box it says place the apple beside the basket. So you're going to take an apple and put it beside. The next box says place the apple below the basket. So you're going to take the apple and put it below. The next box says place the apple above the basket. So you're going to take the apple and put it above. The next box says place the apple next to the basket. So you're going to take the apple and put it next to the basket. And in the last box it says how many apples. So you're going to count and write in this box how many apples there are. Be sure to click the record button, the microphone on the left-hand side, so your teacher can watch you do your work.